So how to make $3,000 in one day with affiliate marketing. So as you can see here on my screen, I made almost $3,000, so basically $2,997 with affiliate marketing. So if you're promoting any kind of products, clickbank, MaxWeb, or any other high ticket affiliate promos, I'm going to show exactly what it takes to get the results as a newbie if you really want to have long-term, consistent, sustainable results online. So let's go straight into it. But before we go into it, let me show you here where you can reach out later to me. So you can see here, this is my IG, right, my Instagram. So you can reach me out on my Instagram later after watching this video, where we can connect personally one-on-one if you want to know exactly how to have these huge results online with direct sales, with direct response marketing and online marketing, right? So let's go straight into it. So I'm going to show what and how we are generating these huge results, right? So let me give you a simple and easy example, right? This is the story step by step of from 1 to 5, right? From 1 to 5, from A to Z, how it works when you have proper system done for you, automation in place. As you can see here, we have a prospect, could be even you, right? Looking to buy weight loss supplement on ClickBank. This is my website, right? My landing page. So prospect is tracked. We have tracking in place. Very important. If you want to track sales, which countries, geos they're coming from, right? If they're coming from New Zealand, from Africa, Australia, US or Canada or UK, you want to know where exactly they're coming from. So that's why tracking is really important. Another thing is, for example, prospect is tracked, they don't buy and they leave, right? They might just as well leave, they don't buy anything. But if you're smart, and I guess you are because you're watching this video, you're going to do this. You're going to retarget them. And by retargeting, I mean that your ad is going to show up on other websites. So for example, let's say that I'm buying weight loss supplement, right? What I'm going to do is, maybe I won't buy it today, right now when I'm watching your video, your ad, I would just shut it off, go out of the website. But because when I go on another website tomorrow or maybe 1 hour later, your ad is still going to show up on that site, right? So it will remind me, it will follow up with my brain that, hey, I should check this out. So I'm going to click again and buy. So that's, my friend, how you make money online, when you properly track your customer, your prospects, and turn desire into demand, right? So it works really, really magically when you know how to put it up step by step together, right? So the next thing is mini website, right? It could be mini advertorial, mini blog, and that's all it takes. This is e-commerce example, right? We always agitate the problem and pre-sell the solution, right? So let's say the problem is back pain, right? We agitate the problem, right? How it feels to have a back pain. Aren't you tired of having back pain? Those are consequences of having back pain. This is how you got back pain. So what the heck now, right? Pre-sell the solution. So if you want to get rid of the back pain, this is the product or the pill that you should take, right? So we pre-sell the solution, but we still agitate the problem. What do I mean by agitating the problem? For example, if I cut myself with a knife, right, on my hand, and put alcohol and salt on my wound, I'm going to agitate my wound, right? It's going to hurt a little bit more. And sometimes it has to hurt more for a person to move and take action in the great direction that they should take years or months before to have the desired results, right? So this is the whole point of having pre-sale page or landing page. But I see most of gurus on ClickBank are not teaching them students how to do this correctly and why they should understand how it takes to get done for them affiliate websites, right? Like I'm giving to my students. So if you want to work with me personally, just reach out to me after watching this video on my Instagram, WhatsApp or email or Facebook, and we can work together one-on-one and start having these huge results with ClickBank or any other affiliate network. So another thing that is very important is this. Always be in front of the money in the niche markets, right? Always try to position yourself in niches where people are already willingly handing over their money hand over fist, wanting to buy stuff, right? So you don't have to convince or persuade anyone, right? They just are there to buy. So audience, parade of people, and connect them in a solution their problems and pains. Very easy and simple to understand. Why? Because it will make your job 10 times easier as an affiliate to have these huge results, right? It's better than trying to sell them, market them hard, spam them, right? When they're already pre-sold on the idea and concept of it all, right? So very, very important. Now what to do next? Like I said before, if you remember, click on the links below this video, smash the like button, please, subscribe to my channel, please, and let me know after watching this video if you want to connect with me one-on-one. All the links are below in the description below. Reach out to me if you have some money to invest, if you're serious, and a little bit of time, so we can work together one-on-one and we can start generating these results. Again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.